Would you like to control the alignment of the mold in your injection machine? Check that it is positioned correctly in each direction. Monitor the pressure inside the hydraulic circuits. Know the temperature of the two mold halves. Avoid compromising the mechanical couplings. There are many critical factors in manufacturing, and preventing them means guaranteeing a longer durability for the mold, reducing human mistakes and the charge of responsibility on operators, thus avoiding damages on the mold. That's why Giurgola Stampi has designed and manufactured LineUp Control, the Mold Lifesaver, an innovative control system that monitors each cycle of the mold. In fact, thanks to specific sensors, LineUp verifies that the mold is aligned in each direction, monitors temperature and pressure, and prevents unusual strain. So if the mold is not perfectly aligned, or if the cooling system is not activated by the operator, LineUp stops the injection machine, thus avoiding any damage to the mold as well as long and costly downtimes. You will always be informed, and thanks to the dedicated app, you will have remote access to the processed data in order to analyze what happened and understand how and where to intervene. Do you want to know more? Click here to schedule a consultation.